What's up guys, welcome to my new YouTube video about Reddit, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to download Reddit videos. So let's get started, and for example I want to download this video on my PC. So to do it you need to click on the share button just below the video, click here, and in this drop down menu you need to select copy link. Okay, link copied. So now open a new tab and type here Reddit video download. And now you can go to this website. And now you need to enter a Reddit URL right here. So just press Ctrl plus V shortcut, or just right click and click on paste. Now click on the download button right here. Now just click on download HD video. Okay, and on the top right corner you can see that I've just installed this video on my PC. So now you can find this video in the download folder, or just let's move this video to the desktop. Just drag and drop it, and now let's open it. And yeah, this is how you can easily install a video from Reddit. So it's pretty easy. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, I wish you a very great day.